Welcome. Today we are looking at a 2K wireless battery powered security camera. This also comes with a solar panel, as you can see in the picture there. After watching this video, if you want to pick this up, check the first link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. So as it says here, 100% wire free, 2K 3 megapixel HD, rechargeable battery, motion detection, two-way audio, color night vision. This camera has a built-in floodlight, weatherproof, and support micro SD card. The maximum is 128 GB. I don't know if there's one included in this box. I guess we'll find out. That's what it looks like from there. Some more information on this side, what I've read out. So it has a human AI detection as well. Coming on this side, giving us information regarding the app. So this runs on the Cloud Edge app. I have already used the app with other products. It's a really good app. It's easy to use, and you could download it for iOS and Android. Some more information on this side. Okay, let's get it open. Some paperwork. So we have the panel first, mounting thread there. I don't know how long that cable is, but it doesn't seem very long. I think it's around 5 foot this. And it's a micro USB end there. A bracket to hold the panel and some screws and wall plugs. Bracket for the camera, some screws and wall plugs there. That has 3 holes there. Micro USB charging cable. And then the camera. Mounting thread at the back. Speaker at the bottom. If I just lift this up. Power on off, reset, micro USB charging port, micro SD card slot there. Look how thick that is. No water will get in there. We have 2 fixed antennas. So at the front of the camera, that's the floodlight. PIR sensor, that's the status indicator there. The lens, of course. Charging indicator, and then microphone there because this does have two-way audio. Okay, let's pair the camera up. I'm going to go to add battery camera.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
Okay, I've done that. Okay.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Might as well put the SD card in while I've got this open. So that's flashing. Let's press
Select
next.
the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
Okay. I need to give it permission before it can do that. I just put my password in off camera. I've entered my Wi-Fi details. It's asking me now to press next. Once I press next, it's going to generate a QR code. I've heard the tone.
Connecting. Please wait.
Is connected. That was really, really fast. There we are connected. Okay, let's have a quick look at the app. At the top, you could see it's got the date and time there. If I click on the screen, we have speaker. I've muted that. Quality here. So next to that, we'll flip the image around. At the bottom is giving us some battery information here and Wi-Fi. So this where it says live, if I take a screenshot, that will get saved within the app. Intercom, of course, that's to speak to the other person on the other side. record. Again, that will get saved in the app as well. Motion detection. You have some options here. Power saving mode, performance mode, and then custom mode. Click on custom mode. Then we have light. That's the light at the front. You could turn that on or off. Then on light settings. So how bright you want the light. If I swipe right from the bottom here, adjust brightness. Then we have siren, which you could hear now.
Okay.
We have album. So this is where it will save your pictures and videos. So this is a really good feature. If you see something happening at your property, you could just press record and it will save it within the phone, which you could later use as evidence. Just press that, press play. The image, pinch to zoom in. See at the top right hand corner, it's got that share icon there as well, so you could share this as well. Then we have history. Click on calendar. So because I've just put this up, there's nothing there, but it would be in here. You could go by date as well. And then you have the options to select if it's an alert you're looking for. If alert had been triggered and you want to view that footage, you could view that here. Then we have record album. That will take us back to where we was before. Screenshot. Again, that would be in here as well. And then cloud. I don't have that subscription. You do have the option to take out a cloud subscription, or you could just use a micro SD card, what I'm doing. And of course, the images do get saved in your phone as well. Let's click on this cog at the top here. So the first one is obviously the information regarding the camera. Receive alert notifications, that's on. Installation guide. You could share it as well, as I mentioned before. You add the people you want to share with. Location management. So work indicator, this is a good one. So the indicator at the front, you can turn that off. So say you've got this camera, but you don't want to mount it outside. You're going to place it near your window looking outside, and you don't want to draw attention to it. So you could turn that little light off. You have time settings, image settings. So you could screen flip. So if you mount the camera upside down, you'd come in here and you'd flip the image around. I've left the night one in auto. Sound settings. So everything's on at the moment, but you could turn it off and you could control the speaker volume as well. Light settings. And that's for the light at the front. Alarm management. Oh, we've already seen this. Then we've got battery management. Recording management. Okay, it's very important when you put an SD card in, make sure you format the SD card. Cloud, obviously I don't have that. And let's check if there's an update. No, there isn't. Then reset or delete. Nice simple app. Another thing I just wanted to quickly show you once is you could pinch to zoom in as well. It does have a nice field of view, this camera. I really like this app. It's nice and simple. So if this is your first time using an app on a phone with a camera, you won't get lost in this app. It's straightforward, it's basic to use. That's what I really like about it. So as you can see on the screen, image quality looks really good. But let's have a look at the image coming from the camera daytime and nighttime. One quick thing to point out, the image quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced because YouTube do add a compression on the file. Do let me know in the comment section what you think of the image quality. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the image quality. I really like the Cloud Edge app. As I've mentioned before, it's simple to use. The image quality from this camera, I don't know how it's coming across to you guys, but to me is really good. Look how powerful that light is. I've turned the light on, it's lit the whole garden up, and where this camera is mounted, it's really dark around here, around the back of my garden, because there isn't much light around there. A couple of other things I really like about this camera. I took the micro SD card out. I'm not subscribed to the cloud subscription. I was still getting notifications when there were movement around. The images were getting saved within the app, which I am able to view and share as well. That is a really good feature. Plus, this runs off the solar panel. If you attach that and you live somewhere where you get a lot of sun, you do not need to worry about charging it. Here in the UK, I have used cameras like that before. Once a year they need charging. It depends how much sun you get really. In my opinion, this is a good piece of kit. I'll link it down below if you want to pick it up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.